C and C++ programming language installation setup in VS Code. Browser open Google search box lo MinGW enter key press sourceforge.net MinGW-minimalized GNU for Windows. First link click SourceForge official redirectory web page complete display. Middle section lo MinGW-minimalized GNU for Windows. Left side green color button download click. Your download will start shortly. Download section lo MinGW-get-setup.exe setup file downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo MinGW setup file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. MinGW installation manager setup tool window lo MinGW-get version latest 0.6.2. Bottom side second button install click. Step 1 specify installation preferences. Installation directory. Installation path display in box. Local disk C MinGW newly created folder display. Second button continue click. Second step download and setup MinGW installation manager downloading process start. Installation application files details section lo display. Wait and hear 0 to 100% process completing here. %% process completed. Second button continue click. Desktop shortcut display MinGW installer. MinGW installation manager window lo application related packages. Fifth one package MinGW32-GCC-G++. Left side box tick mark set mouse left click. Mark for installation. Second option click. Left side first one menu installation click. Third option apply changes click. Schedule of pending actions window lo OK to proceed. Right side first button apply click. Downloading package selected packages. Installation completed. Applying schedule changes. Extracting files. Close dialog automatically when activity is complete. Left side box tick mark set. Installation completed. Automatically close this window. Close window. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Second folder MinGW folder select open. First folder bin select open. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo env enter. First option edit the system environment variable options click. System properties window lo last button environment variables click. Second option system variable section lo path select. Second button edit click. Right side top first button new click. Mouse right click. Paste option click. OK click. OK click and OK click. Installation verify Windows search box CMD type. First option command prompt select. Enter the text command MinGW GCC space -- version. Enter key press. After successfully installation version 6.3.0 GCC. Next second text command G++ space -- version. Enter key press. As it same version latest version display. Command prompt shell window close. Desktop Windows search box lo VS Code enter. Visual Studio Code select. VS Code IDE interface complete display, window maximize, welcome page close, left side fifth icon extensions click, type C/C++, third one C/C++ extension pack select, install blue color button click. Installation completed. Second extension, delete key press, enter code runner. First one extension code runner select, already install this extension, close extension window, left side first icon explorer click, first one open folder click, second button new folder click, delete key press, C++, files, enter key press, button select folder click, first button yes I trust the others click, welcome page close, new file icon click, file name chari dot extension C, enter key press, C program related simple script, file menu click, save option select, terminal menu click, new terminal select, right side top section lo second icon run or debugging icon click, run code click, new file icon re-click, enter the file name tech dot extension cpp, enter key press, C++ simple script count executed output, file menu click, save option select, right side top section lo second one run or debug, second icon click, second option run code click, terminal window lo executed output hello world chari tech info.